This year, Friends of the Library Week is October 20th through the 26th, and it's an opportunity for Fairfax County Public Library staff to officially thank the Friends for all the work that they do throughout the year. Well, we couldn't do what we do without volunteer help. They are our greatest advocates, and they do all kinds of help and work for us that the library staff couldn't get to on our own. One of the things that the Friends do is they accept donations on behalf of the library, and they sort them and put them into the used book sale, and the proceeds of the used book sale benefit the library.
We have various ways that we support the library. Our main way is the biannual book sales. So we sort donations that come into the library and price them and box them, and we have a shed out back where we can store them. And it's kind of a thrill at the sales when these kids come in and they see that they can afford to buy these books. We can get a lot of books in the hands of a lot of kids, and we just love watching the smiles on their faces as they take their books home.
We have a huge volunteer-based turnout for the book sales themselves that it demands a much larger group of people. All of this working together, we've been very successful in meeting our goals financially. And in fact, this next book sale looks to be one of our biggest and best ever.
Well, it's just satisfying to hold a book in your hand and read it. But they say there's nothing quite like reading an actual book and holding it in your hands. And also, you have the variety. Anything you want to read is there. Any subject you want to follow up on or anything, it's all in the library.